We are installing a new LED fog light assembly on this 2011 Toyota Vios. This fog light is designed to interface with the vehicle's headlight circuit. When the headlights are switched on, an internal actuator motor inside each fog light is energized, automatically adjusting the projector's position by tilting it upward. This feature provides improved beam alignment and enhanced road illumination while the headlights are in use. To install the new LED fog lights, the front bumper must first be removed to provide access to the fog light mounting locations. Once the bumper is removed, the original fog light bezels or lamp frames are removed and replaced with the new mounting frames, which are secured using 3 mounting bolts on each side. Next, the new LED fog light assemblies are positioned in the mounting frames and securely fastened. Each fog light is equipped with 2 actuator wires that control the internal beam adjustment mechanism. These wires are then connected to the vehicle's headlight circuit so that the actuator is activated whenever the headlights are switched on, automatically tilting the fog light projector upward for improved beam alignment. After verifying that all mounting bolts and electrical connections are secure, the front bumper is reinstalled, and the operation of the new LED fog lights and actuator mechanism is tested to ensure proper functionality. In this configuration, the LED fog lights operate on their own dedicated electrical circuit, independent of the headlight circuit. The fog lights have a separate switch, allowing them to be turned on or off independently. However, the fog light circuit is interlocked with the parking light circuit, meaning the fog lights can only be activated when the parking lights are switched on. The only connection between the fog lights and the headlight circuit is the actuator control. When the headlights are turned on, power is supplied to the internal actuator motor inside each fog light, causing the projector mechanism to tilt upward automatically.